little bit chicken cooked. Now I want to add my tomato and green chilies. Green chili I cut from center. 6 I have. Assalamualaikum. Setin, Galamanixan. Hope you are all fine. So today I want to make a video for Imaan. I want to prepare the food for Imaan because he reached 200k. So I want to give him surprise. Before I went to Pakistani shop, I buy everything for him. So now I buy everything. I want to prepare Pakistani food, biryani and halim, and already cake is cooked. So now I want to share with you also that how to make biryani, because I got many comments that make biryani. Even before I make one time, but okay, but I make now. So I share with you. First of all, we prepare our chicken because we want to marinate it. If you marinate it before, then the taste is so good. So here I have one whole chicken. Okay. Ginger and garlic paste. This is like 1 full spoon. Okay. You can see. Now I have lemon juice. It's near 2 spoon. I add all. Okay. So here I have red chili, turmeric, salt, Chinese salt and cumin seed powder. This according to your taste. If you like to eat spicy, then you add spice more. If you don't want, then okay. I add 2 spoon red chili, 1 spoon, 1 spoon, 1 spoon, 1 spoon. Okay, here I have biryani masala. This you just go to Pakistani shop or maybe Indian some shop they have also, but this is just Pakistani and I got it from Pakistani shop in chocolate. So I want to add this. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I add 3 spoon. I want to add more, but when I need to fry the things other like tomato, onion, then I add more. I have yogurt. Yogurt I also want to add 2 big spoon of this. So now we mix well. If you can mix with spoon, you can add with spoon, or if you want to do with hands, you can, because with hands you can mix well. So stay with me. Welcome back. Now we want to prepare other things. So I have 4 big size onion. Okay, the oil is already hot. The other thing which I want to make, this is quick halim. This is Pakistan like favorite dish. So I want to make this other. This I also buy from Pakistani shop. So now I tell you how to make this. Okay, in this we have this spicy, and we have this one. This already cooked. Everything is ready. Just we need to add water. I take water 6 cup. So you can add in normal water. All you can add. it's become thick, but you make sure that you mix it well, because no, this if you mix well, then it's cooked very well. Okay. Okay, so you can see the onion is ready, like a little brown. So first of all, I want to add my chicken, which I marinate. The chicken change the color. I know add tomato now. When chicken cook little bit, then I add tomato. This is going to mix already. Here I add oil, like a half cup. Okay. Ginger, garlic and green chili paste. In this we now add onion this time. So we need to fry this until this becomes golden brown. Okay. Remember, this is just ginger, garlic and green chili paste. I know add onion. And brown, I have here chicken boneless. In this we use boneless chicken. So we fry until chicken color is changed, like white color. Okay. For this we need big pot, but I fry and here, but when I want to mix other things, then I change. Okay, now chicken color is changed. So I want to add first of all this one, which we get like in halim, and more than half. One tablespoon red chili. I know add full one, because this already which I add, that's spicy. One tablespoon Chinese salt. Half tablespoon salt. And 1 tablespoon turmeric. Mix well. So now little bit chicken cooked. Now I want to add my tomato and green chilies. Green chili I cut from center. 6 I have. Now my chicken is little bit cooked, so I need to add water in this. Okay, so I have 1 jug water, a small jug, not big one. I add too much because I want chicken soft. When chicken soft, then we mash it and we add in our halim, and then we again cook. Okay, now this cook, and after I think so 20 minutes, so we prepare for rice. For this we need to boil the rice. So now you can see I add 1 jug of water, but now it's remain half. So our chicken is cooked very well. So now we take out our chicken outside. As I told you that we need a big pot, so I change now which remaining water, our chicken soup remaining. Now I add here. So this halim which we mixed before, now I need to add in this. So you can see it's too much because we need to cook at least 1 hour. So that's why I add water too much, because we need to cook, because it's cook. It's, you can see this half cook. Okay, so just little bit this remaining. Now we prepare other thing. So here I have oil. Okay, because as I told you, don't add onion before. No, we need to add onion. I have 1 onion. We do this onion golden brown, dark brown, like fry. Not golden brown, dark brown. We need to fry this. We want more brown, you can see this little bit brown. No, but I want to add these things, this spice. Again I take 1 tablespoon. Again I take 1 tablespoon of red chili. I mix all actually. 1 tablespoon cumin seed powder, 1 tablespoon which spice we got from Halim. So, and half tablespoon salt. So this more brown we need. Everyone is like this brown, like this color, then we add spice. So now we can add spices. Green chili, I had 2 green chili. So this material, now I want to add this halim, and so you can see now it's become thick also. And now I want to add the chicken. Last chicken, I make it like this. I make precious. Now I need to add chicken. And we add coriander, whatever you want. Okay, like chili more. What? I show you the last look of my biryani, of my halim, and of my cake. Okay. For rice boil, I add these things and 2 spoon of salt. Now when the water is boiled, so I add rice. So now the water is boiled, we add rice. Already I add the rice. Now we wait until it's boiled. We no cook rice too much. We cook like half. So because it's take time of steam with the biryani things. Okay. Halim is totally ready. I add coriander. Now this ready. Just my biryani is remaining. Chicken which we made before is already cooked. Everything ready. Now we just need to okay. So first we make the layer of rice. Now I add chicken. I add all chicken. So the other remaining rice now we add. You can see I know cook rice all, little bit remaining this. So we need to add colors. I have yellow color. Which color you have at home? All add. No, all no add. Like you can add red, orange like this. So I add red because I have yellow and green. So I add both. Now we steam it and after that I show you. Welcome back. So now it's Maghrib time and my food is ready and I am also ready. I call Mohanad because I tell everything Mohanad that pick me and I want. Yes, the food is totally ready. Just I'm waiting for Mohanad. Now I am going to their place and give them surprise. So hope you people like my video. Please give me your feedback, how you like my food. Inshallah we will meet you next video and I show you how I give them surprise. Stay with me. Bye bye.